Yo, what's up, money movers? Ever found yourself staring at your phone, thinking, I gotta send this cash to my mate with the Monzo account, but how the heck do I do it? Yeah, I've been there. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube with your eyes closed. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monzo money transfers. Let's break it down. First things first, what even is Monzo? If you're new to the banking game, Monzo is like the cool, new kid on the block. It's a digital bank that's all about making your money life easier. And one of the key features is sending and receiving cash, super fast. So, let's get into it. Method 1, the classic bank transfer. Okay, the old school way to send money to a Monzo account is a classic bank transfer. It's like sending a letter, a bit slow, but reliable. You'll need their account number and sort code. It's not the quickest method, but it gets the job done. Open your banking app. Go to the Payments section. Choose Bank Transfer. Enter their account details. Double-check everything, then hit Send. Method 2, Monzo to Monzo Magic. Now, this is where things get interesting. If both you and your mate have Monzo accounts, you can send money instantly. It's like teleportation for cash. Open your Monzo app. Go to the Payments tab. Tap Pay Someone. Find your friend's name in your contacts. Enter the amount and hit Send. Boom. Money gone. Your friends got it. It's that simple. Method 3, Monzo.me, the sharing economy of money. Want to make things even easier? Use Monzo.me. It's like your personal money link. You share your Monzo.me link with your friends, and they can send you money directly without needing your account details. Open your Monzo app. Go to the Payments tab. Tap Request. Choose Share a Link. Send the link to your friend. They can then click the link and send you money instantly. It's perfect for splitting bills, collecting money for gifts, or just getting paid back. Tips and tricks. Double-check details. Always make sure you've entered the correct account number and sort code for bank transfers. For Monzo to Monzo transfers, ensure you're sending to the right person. Security first. Be cautious when sharing your Monzo.me link. Only share it with people you trust. Check fees. Some banks might charge fees for bank transfers. Monzo to Monzo transfers are usually free, but check the terms. Instant versus regular. Remember, Monzo to Monzo transfers are instant, while bank transfers can take a few hours or even a day. Keep it simple, don't overcomplicate things. Choose the method that suits you and your friend best. So, there you have it. Sending money to someone's Monzo account doesn't have to be a headache. Whether you're a tech-savvy whiz or a traditional banker at heart, there's a method for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy money moving.